Let's stand here in the middle. Yeah.
Your vehicle will be cramped. So we are not going to allow very many people to come and park here. You just park and drop. It's traveler, it's passenger, and the airport user at the same level almost with the VIP. Because this is where they will be putting everybody, whether you are VIP or not. However, we also plan that the VIP will be improved in order to accommodate them at their side. So now we can just go in and... So they will pick you when you are still in the building. Are you seeing it? So that once you have your guest, you can either wait from here or you can go and pick your guest from inside. You move together and the vehicle will come up to here. So that will be the pickup for you. Now, the remaining is to tell you how we will manage and facilitate our delegates. We have categories of delegates. There are those delegates who will come with private charter as heads of government or presidents of states. Those will move with their private charter up to VVIP straight. And from there they will get the convoy which will take them to either their hotel or to Munyonyo, where they will be the convoy.
Can you repeat that?
We have different categories of guests. We have heads of government or presidents of states who will come with their private charters or private jets. Now those will go straight to VVIP. When they reach at VVIP, depending on how government will have organized, they will have either a ceremony there, or they will be from there driven to their hotel or to the site of the conference. Then we have the presidents or heads of government who will come by commercial flights. Those ones also, we have arranged it that they will go and reach and be received at the aircraft tarmac. The convoy will come there, whether there will be 2 presidents or 3 presidents, depending, and then they will be driven straight to VVIP. And from VVIP, either they will have a ceremony, depending on government arrangement. From there, they will be driven to their destination. Now, there are those who are delegates that are coming as delegates, not as heads of government or presidents or representing as a special convoy. Those ones will come through our channels, as I have shown you, and these special people who have been trained, headed by the protocol people, who will go and receive the guests, and they will be taken to their vehicles and driven either to their hotel or to the conference area. Yes. Equally, when they are departing, they will be brought to the departures and will pass through the same process to the aircraft or to the lounges. Those who will be heads of government in their charters or on private, on commercial aircraft will come through VVIP and they will pass the other side. I still want to say that during that time, I continue to pledge to the passengers who are going to use this airport to come at least 3 hours before time, in order sometime not to get the inconvenience that may be either on the way or at Entebbe International Airport. As you know, we still have a number of constructions that is ongoing that might end up holding up somebody, and also due to security reasons and clearances that might be required. So this is how our facility is. And I want to end by thanking government, which has given us such a facility, and especially the President of the Republic of Uganda. We will continue ensuring that the airport becomes better and better each and every day. And as I have told you, we are only waiting to improve this airport further, especially we are still requesting the government to facilitate and make it faster to make us have the phase 2 upgrade and expansion project, such that we complete this project to benefit in its intended objective. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you, Engineer. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to add my voice to the directors in thanking you very much for coming to Entebbe International Airport. We hope to see you next time as passengers with this wonderful facility.
But don't forget, talk about the good things. You have always been so...
They will, I know. I know when I look at them, I know.
This government has done a number of very good things, but they have never talked about. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, please. From this building, as you go that way, we are going to put up a multi-story car park. That multi-story car park is going to be synchronized on this building. Okay? And this very floor will be the floor for the departures. Are we together? Then the down floor will be the one for what? For the arrivals. So this is our plan. That is how we are going to solve that. And while we are going to do that, we are going to have very many challenges because of space. We are going to end up sending people back very far, and all those are going to be challenges. But they should be understood, just as we took a lot of time to put up this, but now this is where we are. Now, this very area where we are, this is what we call a drop-off area for the passenger who is departing. Are we together? Now, once the person comes here, we expect that the vehicle will come and the person will be dropped. And this dropping is only to last for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes max. Once you go beyond that, your vehicle will be